Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm the president of Ecotechnology, and I want to thank you for choosing the Tellurian. I am here to demonstrate how to assemble our waste baskets and answer some additional questions you may have. First step in assembly is to fold down flap 1. Second step is to take the two side flaps and push down until they interlock with flap 1. Third step is to take flap 3 and push into the middle, and it'll interlock with those 3 flaps. And that right there is the Tellurian. Now in your package you may have received liners and wondering why. If you are choosing to dispose of any unrecyclable items or items that contain liquid, it's best to use the liner inside your Tellurian to save the integrity of it. Please check us out on social media. We are constantly sharing new ways to use the Tellurian in your everyday needs. And don't forget to share with your family and friends. We love seeing new faces around here. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We always love questions and remarks about the Tellurian wastebasket. See you soon.